Hi my food lovers, welcome back to another recipe. In today's video we are making Oreo ice cream. So into a bowl you want to go in with your milk, and if you do not have milk, just dissolve some milk powder with water and you achieve your milk. Now add some whipped cream powder to this, and we are going to use our electric mixer or your hand wicks to mix this until it becomes smooth and thick. So if you want to add if you want it to be very thick, then you have to add more of the whipped cream powder to achieve that, and you have to whisk this for a very long time in order for you to get this smooth and thick consistency. So this is what you want to achieve. I do not want it too thick, and this is perfect. So I'm putting in some condensed milk. You can use sugar if that is what you prefer, or any sweetener you prefer other than the condensed milk, and that's perfectly okay. Now that we've added our condensed milk, we are going to continue to mix this and ensure that while we are doing this, we are trying to achieve a smooth and thick consistency while we are also putting the condensed milk and every other thing together just to have a uniform taste. Now you can see that I'm mixing this very well. I've increased the speed in order for me to achieve my thickness as fast as possible. Yes, so you continue to do this until you achieve your perfect consistency, and this is okay. Today is your first time coming across this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do also hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified anytime we upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by and supporting this amazing community. Now we are going to add our flavor of choice. I use vanilla flavor here. You can use any flavor of choice, being it coconut, scotch butter, and all of that. That's okay. We mix this, and this consistency is perfect. Let's mix this more to combine the flavor, the condensed milk, and everything together to achieve a uniform taste. Now that we've achieved this, we are going to set this aside and we are going to get our Oreo cookies. This is the brown one. It has the brown chocolate in it, and that's what I use. You can use the other one that comes with a white chocolate, and it's perfectly okay. So I'm just putting this into this wrapper, and I'm going to be crushing it into pieces, not too smooth, but just as you can see. Now I'm going to mix this again, and I'll transfer everything into it, the Oreo cookies into it like this. So I did not use everything in the pack, I just used a little. So I'll mix this thoroughly and I'll transfer it into my bowl, which I'll be using to freeze it. And after that we will go ahead and crush some more cookies, and we will top it up with it, mix it with it so that we still have some crunchiness. So we used all the cookies, so the size you saw, everything just went into this delicious ice cream. Yes, now that we've achieved this, we are going to put this in the freezer until it becomes firm, after which we will take it out, and this is what you should achieve. Now that you have this, your ice cream is ready, and you can put this in some popsicle molds, some popsicle cups, and some popsicle rubbers. Okay, you do not have to just put them here like this. You can use anything at all to just get your ice cream to the shape you prefer. Now we are going to scoop this goodness, and we are going to be enjoying it. So if you have some more Oreo cookies on the side after you served yourself like this, you can break a little, or you can break it into pieces, and then you just top it up with this and you are good to go. Now our ice cream is ready and we are going to enjoy it. If you love this video and you love to see more ice cream videos, then you should check my playlist, which is sweet, is labeled sweet. Check that and you will see all my ice cream recipes. You will love them, and Any question at all you have, just leave it in the comment section and I will attend to you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this channel because it's free of charge and it's going to help you to always come back to the goodness on this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let me leave you to enjoy your ice cream. And I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.